Ashama and welcome back to Kakuu Presents Afaan Oromoo Lessons, Lesson 2, Pronouns. In this section, we'll be looking at pronouns, also known as maqoota in Afaan Oromoo. Each subject pronoun will be followed by an Afaan Oromoo translation. I, ani, we, nuti or nui, you, ati, you in its plural version, isin, she, isheen, he or it, inni, they, isaan. Afaan Oromoo uses plural pronouns such as isin and isaan as polite or formal pronouns of reference. We mostly use this type of formal pronouns when talking to or about an older person. We can also use these pronouns in reference to or about a person or persons with religious and public authority. Direct object pronouns. Me, ana, na, us, nu, you, si or ati, you in its plural version, isin, her, ishee, him or it, isaa, they, isaani. We will now look at some examples. If we would like to say she likes him in Afaan Oromoo, we would say isheen isaa jaalatti or isheen isaa ni jaalatti. If we want to say he likes her, we would use inni isheen jaalata or inni isheen ni jaalata. If one needs to say we buy it, the Afaan Oromoo translation would be nuti isa binna. And lastly, if one was to say, do you hear me? We would say in Afaan Oromoo, ati na dhageessa. Possessive pronouns. Me or mine, ko or kiyya. Our or ours, keenya. Your or yours, ke. Your or yours in the plural version, keessan. His or its, kanisa. Her or hers, kanishee. Their or theirs, kanisaani. We will now review some examples using these possessive pronouns. My shoes, kophee ko or kophee kan ko. Our country, biyyi keenya or biyyi kan keenya. In expressions of to and or also, Afaan Oromoo uses the suffix s for sentences and the word ho for questions. Examples: and you or what about you, ati ho. And yours, ke ho or kan ke ho. If we were to consider the plural version of yours, it would be kan keessan ho. She is well, isheenis. And they are isaanis, me too, anis. Interrogative pronouns. What, mal or mali. Why, malif or malifi. How, akkam or akkami. When, yoom. Where, essa or essatti. From where, essa. Who, eenyu. Whose, kan eenyu. How many, meeqa. Which, kam or kami. Examples: where are you from? Eessa dhufte? What is your nationality? Lammummaan kee maali? Where is your country? Biyyi kee eessa? Some more examples. What is your job? Hojiin kee maal? Why did you come here? Maaliif asii dhufte? How old are you? Umriin kee meeqa? Thank you for joining us for the second round of Kakuu Presents Afaan Oromoo Lessons Pronouns. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at kakucollective@gmail.com. You can also find us at Kakuu Official on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter.